Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Here is a 2009 GE window air conditioning unit. This is a 5,200 BTU air conditioner. I am the original owner of this one. I just pulled it out of the storage building today. Sorry about that. Here's the digital display on it. This does have a remote with it. I'll get the stickiness cleaned off. So yeah, this one, it's an R22 system. Excuse that. Here's the filter. I can push it through. There we go. Model AEW05LMS2. Volts 115, amps 5.3, EER of 9.7, whatever the heck that is. Nobody cares. But it was made in April of 2009. Ooh, made in China. These are my two younger brothers, by the way. They're helping me record.
I'm the one who keeps stealing his tripod. Hello.
Yeah. And this is my second youngest brother.
Hello.
Hello. Anyway.
Don't ask what I tried to do.
Huh?
Don't ask what I tried to do.
They're helping me record right now, but this air conditioner, here's the condenser coil. It's in pretty good condition. Just a few dings here and there, but it runs, it can get air through really good. This nest and crap needs to be cleaned off. But here's the fan motor, yellow fan blade. This AC, I'm gonna go ahead and move it over there.
Why is it yellow?
The fan blade?
Yes, why is the fan blade yellow?
Oh, that was just a thing on these older GE units. That was just an older thing on these GE units. Because this unit was made in 2009. The blower wheel is not yellow. You can barely see it in there. But, there it is. This AC has 2 filter slots. I don't know if I've said that already. But it's got a filter slot right here. And a filter slot right there. I planned on making this video, or a few parts of this video, because I thought I was gonna have to clean this out because there was a dirt dauber's nest in the unit. So I turned it on and the fan motor took a little bit to get going, but it got going because there was a dirt dauber's nest in the way. Second nest. What? This? Yeah. What are you talking about? Yeah. This is just dirt from that dirt dauber's nest. It's just dirt. Yeah. So here it is. This tape right here is for this tape here is right for this because every time this runs, these always like to move to this side, and it's just annoying the crap out of me.
I know nothing about fans.
Shoot.
You can ask mommy if you...
Shoot, we gotta redo this.
No, you're not. Do not.
No.
Just. I think we're okay. Also, how do we get the? All right. Anyways.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and enough rambling, move this air conditioner over there because there's a nearby outlet for testing right there. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, I got it moved over there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the kilowatt meter. Make sure it's on volts. Plug it in. We are testing at 122.6 volts, which is a little high, 60 cycles. Let's go to amps and plug this thing in. It's got one of those LCDI plugs on it. And let's go plug it in. I will say, as much as everybody does not like beeping electronic controls, that was a fairly pleasant beep. It's nice. It's not like shrill and loud that everybody else has heard. So let me go ahead, and it's plugged in right now. Let me go ahead and turn it on with the remote control. Show the batteries in the remote real quick. They are Home Depot brand batteries. So let me go ahead and start it up. The compressor might try to come on, so got to move out of the way and shh. Just as I suspected, the compressor came on. Hear that R22 going through there. This unit has 13.40 ounces. There's a bunch of junk flinging out of it of R22. 13.40 ounces of R22. It's reading 75 degrees. Temperature is set on 67. Raise it up to 69. And it's on high right now, fan speed. We are drawing 3.116 amps. It'll go up as the head pressure builds. And 398.4 watts. 3.367 amps. If y'all know the 6-7 meme of 2025,
Talk about that.
never mind about that, but this thing is freaking cold. Turn the fan speed down. Medium. Low. I love the sound of that compressor. This AC uses a Samsung compressor, by the way. Samsung.
Also, if you're enjoying this video right now, make sure to like and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939.
Yes, we definitely need to do that. But hey, that's my line. 66. This thing. Turn the thermostat up. 66. Oh. The condenser fan is running perfectly fine. There's plenty of hot air coming out. And we're drawing 3.470 amps on low, the power factor of 98. 413.7 watts, not 400 amps. 3.527 amps. 3.595 amps, which is a ton of power. Medium. 3.721 amps on medium fan speed with 439.3 watts, 441.0 watts, 3.732 amps on the medium. Let's go to high. 3.847. Wow, that's high. I better not run this thing long. 454.7, 440, it's climbing. 452.9 watts, 3.869 amps. This fan has an auto fan button, or the air conditioner does. Auto fan speed, 74, 66 on the thermostat. 73. Alright. Let me go ahead and show this real quick. Delay 24 hours. Cancel that. Let's go ahead and show the modes. Fan only. You have fan only, which is on high. I'll go to low. 0.650 amps for the fan on low speed. Let's go to medium. 0.543 amps for the fan. On medium, let's go to high. That's not me, by the way, that's my funny brother. 0.650 amps. And this fan has an auto setting, which you can't go to, it's just 3 speeds. Let me go turn this off. Wait, I forgot about.
Oopsie.
This has a energy saver mode, which when your AC is running, when this is running, and I set it 74, this unit will shut off to save you a little bit of electricity. Go to fan only again. Back to low. And yeah, it'll shut. Hey! Sorry about this. Let me go ahead and shut it off. The fan in there. Spin out. Condenser, which you can barely see, but it's in there. That stuff on the blower wheel, I'll try to clean that off. Man, the fan spin down is long, but we'll go ahead and, whoa, you didn't have to slam the door. You can set this to come on at any time. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, well, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
25.
It doesn't go to 25 hours. But this has a delay 1 to 24 hours on it, which I'm not going to use that because I don't have anywhere to install this AC, but here it is. Let me go ahead and show that the LCDI thing works. That's your test button. You hold this in to this guy in to reset it. Anyway, let me go ahead and unplug it. I was gonna take this cover off, but I don't need to for this video. But here it is. I'll unplug it. Here's the yellow fan. All right, that's pretty much it for this one.
Well, I can subscribe to this.
I'll put.
Shh. Okay.
I'll post an update video on this whenever I get it cleaned out. But here it is. let's go ahead and end this video. Sorry, my brothers are being a little bit annoying for this video. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.